Welcome back in another lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture we saw how to split the original image into its individual color channels of blue, green and red. This was the code. Let's run it and see what was the output. Okay, so this is the original image. These are the three channels: green, red and blue. Now, although these are colored channels, but they are looking grayscale because of presence of zeros and ones. Now, in today's lecture, what we are going to see, we are going to extract the blue channel, and not only that, we are also going to make it look blue. So let's create one Python file here. I am naming this file as extract_blue_channel and .py, of course, and you can name it anything. So this is extract_blue_channel. Let's copy paste some lines from the previous code. So we are going to use this file only. Let me copy these two lines. CV2 will be the library, and we have this file also of lena.jpg. I am also using one library here, numpy as np, in case if we need it. And then we also have to display the original image, so let's copy this line also, Control C and Control V. Okay, so now what we are going to do, the first thing, we are going to make the copy of our original image. This line is optional. We are just making one copy here so that our original image remains as it is in case if there is any problem. So by using .copy function, we have created one copy of our original image, and I have stored it in blue_image variable. Now what I am going to do is I am going to make 0 the green channel and the red channel. And how to do this? I have to use the slicing operation. So I'm writing blue_image, and then I'm using all rows, that is colon, then colon means all columns, then 1 means green channel and 2 means red channel, and I'm making all these values equal to 0, and that's it. So we are only leaving the blue color as it is, and we are making zeros all remaining channels, that is green and red. Now let's copy this line here and let me write it blue_image, blue_img. That's it. And one more function we need, and that is the wait key function to make our output to remain on the screen for infinite amount of time by writing 0. So this is the simple code of displaying the blue channel. Let's run it and see. Now this is the original image, and this is the blue channel that we have extracted from our image. So I hope you understand how to extract the blue channel. Very simple it is. You have to just make the green channel and red channel components equal to 0. You can also save it. So that's it for the time being. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.